Right in the beginning, I'm already confused. I didn't know Salisbury steak had potatoes in it. I am very not sure. Where do I go from here? I'm really confused about what's... And salt. Oh, we're making mashed potatoes to go with the Salisbury steak, because you can do that if you want to. Butter. I would double that butter. Butter's my buddy. Sour cream with a fork. The one time she could use that tiny blue spatula, and she's using a fork. Come on now. Gonna assume we mash it all. Oh, look at me in the background. Ooh, I gotta lose some weight. Anyway, she's got fancy pinkies. Her posh pepper pinkies. Fancy, fancy, fancy. Oh, she has it on both hands. She's an ambidextrous posh pinkier. We're gonna make meatballs. What is she doing to that poor meat? She's very squeezy with the meat. That's probably gonna get banned from YouTube, or at least demonetized. See, egg, something else, and could assume it looks like sawdust. It's probably not. Wrong again? Gotta say, I have no idea what's going on around here. I am not the brains of this up. Mushrooms, onions, I got that part. Oh, she made a handle. Look at her go. Look, she made a handle. How safe. Okay, fast forward. Choppy, 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 choppy. And onions, and I'm going to assume the mushrooms. Mushrooms. And she's using a big spatula. Back in. What are we doing now? Take it all back out. Get in the pan, get out of the pan, get in the pan, get out of the pan. It's a lot of stuff. Oh, the sauce. Salisbury sauce. Salisbury sauce? Salisbury sauce? Salisbury. Sounds English. Salisbury, good sir. Nope. Oh, the one time she could use that little spatula again. Yeah. Oh, so proud of her. She's got to always have it handy. Again. Oh, that's some pretty good edit work there. Flippity flips. Okay, now we take it. Put it all back in. And sauce it. Lid on. Magic. Lid off. Now what are we doing? Oh, is this it? Are we done? We just get to serve it up and eat it? No. No. What are we doing? Oh, we're making gravy or sauce. Maybe comment below. Is it Salisbury sauce? Salisbury gravy? Salisbury sauce? Magic. Sprinkle, 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 and serve. Oh boy, that looks good. Delish.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to help me build my channel, and remember, keep that pot smoking. Okay, bye.